No matter where I travel to, people typically have the same question for me. Why would a man choose to focus specifically on being a relationship expert for teen girls and women? Well, I think the answer is kind of obvious. I'm meeting a need. I am being the change that I want to see in the world. We don't have enough fathers who are, one, in the home with their daughters, and then two, we definitely don't have enough fathers that are educating their daughters about how to date boys, empowering them to be respectful young women, and teaching abstinence, but at the same time meeting kids where they are, being realistic with what they've already been exposed to. Let's face it, our children have learned a lot about sex from Facebook, from YouTube, from MySpace, from reality TV, from hip-hop and R&B videos. We have to meet them where they are and actually teach them morals, but more than that, actually teach them the process to understanding boys and respecting yourself, and how a young woman should always be 2 or 3 steps ahead of a young man when it comes to courting. She has to make him respect her. It is definitely her responsibility to train, for lack of a better word, boys how to approach, respect, and court her. And I look forward to doing those workshops. I did one last week for 600 girls here in Decatur, Georgia. And I can tell you, something that shocked me was, out of the 600 girls, I asked them how many of them had ever been spoken with by their parents for at least 30 minutes about how to date. 15 girls, 15 out of 600 raised their hands. That's a terrible, terrible statistic. That's showing us that our kids are out here dating, but we're not taking the time to really advise them as to the best way to do it. Matter of fact, dating is confusing for adults. Can you imagine what our teen girls are trying to figure out? Well, invite me out so that I can empower them to be the young ladies of class, sophistication, and make sure they're getting respected and empowered when it comes to dating. Who better else to give this dating advice than a man, a psychologist, and also a father of a young daughter himself, to really connect with the girls and help them understand that they are beautiful flowers, and there's a way in which they can keep and maintain the power in relationships, and making sure that guys respect them for their minds and their sense of humor and not just their body. I think we're really going to make a dent in this teen pregnancy, really decrease teen depression in girls, really decrease STDs, and really decrease girls just not respecting themselves and being sexually promiscuous. So invite me out. I'm Dr. Tart. I'm a teen and dating relationship expert, and I'd love to serve you. Contact me at 404-377-4757, or simply shoot me an email with the date, time, and location, and I'm going to try my best to be there. Take care. My name is Dr. Tart.